Hi, I'm with
Ankur Pandey,
Sanju,
Ravi, Manshu, Rahul,
I'm Mudassir,
Ashish,
Manjeet Pandey.
Zulfi,
Amanit,
Gurpreet Singh.
Sandar Rati.
Which team do you support?
Mumbai.
Yeah, sport for Chennai Super Kings.
Daredevils.
I support, what do you say,
KKR,
Chennai Super King.
Chennai.
I play sport to the RCB.
Rajasthan Royals.
I'll say for KRK.
KKR. Yeah. SRK, KKR.
Royal Challengers Bangalore.
Oh, that's good. Even I'm from Bangalore.
That's great.
Who are your favorite players, guys?
Kevin Pollard. Of course, Chris Gale.
Sehwag, yeah, ठीक है.
David Miller, like
Freestyle Rohit Sharma.
Virender Sehwag.
Chris Gale and
It's Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni.
Do you think because of all the controversy that's surrounding the IPL, this will be a really good season for the youngsters to step up? So you must be looking forward to seeing
New younger Parvez Rasool, Asif Imrial.
Asif
Imrial.
Fantastic batsman. They say his statistics are unbelievable. He's been bought by Mumbai for about 500,000.
Actually, I even don't know about him.
Have you heard of Asif Imrial?
Yes, I have heard about it.
New off-spinner,
Yeah.
fantastic batsman, average 42 in this year's Ranji Trophy.
Asif Imrial. I would love to see him playing. I'll remember your words that okay, if he'll do some good, I'll love to see him.
He will be going to play with the senior players like Tendulkar. That is definitely a big thing for him.
I wish him all the best, and I'm sure that he's going to do well. I believe he did well in the domestic cricket as well.
What do you think of Asif Imrial?
He has got better chance to prove his talent here.
Asif Iqbal, he can also perform. He will get the proper chance, definitely prove himself.
What's he like, Asif Imrial?
I think he's really good player with the
You know him personally,
yeah.
so he's a really good friend.
Yeah.
He's a nice guy.
Yeah, he's really nice.
So he's not really like the bully type.
No, he's really good, cool guy.
Do you think he'll do wonders this time? A young player like Asif Imrial?
Can do.
Obviously, South India is known for producing spinners.
Yeah.
And now
Bangalore's got new young spinner from the under-19 team, L. Iyer. Do you hear this today? They sold him for 1.2 crores.
Yeah, he can learn a lot from this exposure.
Yeah, definitely. It's the age of youth. And youth, if they will get the chance, definitely they will make it.
your friend here thinks L. Iyer can prove a point in the IPL.
Maybe he played well. He can prove himself.
Have you heard anything about him? He's India under-19, very good off-spinner.
No, I'm not aware about him.
You know, new young off-spin prodigy?
No, I have just heard the rumors that this guy is really amazing.
Iyer will fill in for Ashwin capably.
No, he will have to improve a lot.
The Kashmir player,
Yeah,
spinner.
Asif.
Yeah. If he will be having, he will be coached by Daniel Vittori. Definitely he will be going through.
No, Iyer is being coached by Vettori. Asif is in Mumbai. He's being coached by Tendulkar.
Okay.
Moving on to the international signings, who do you think will make the biggest impact? International players.
Glenn Maxwell.
Corey Anderson,
Corey Anderson, yeah, surprise pack.
Gale, Jack Harris, yeah.
Grant McCallum.
But the real talk is all about Todd Ball. And you must have definitely heard about his square cut. It's been called the Todd cut.
Todd cut, yeah.
It's brilliant. So
Exactly. When the outsider people with the better pull and square cut shots come to India, that Indian players are not accustomed to the bouncers and short pitch. They'll obviously learn from this. This is a really good mix for the youngsters to learn.
He's English player.
English player.
Yeah, of course. That could be a very, very big game changer this year as well. Yeah.
I don't know his name.
Everyone's more excited about Todd Ball. What are your thoughts on him?
No, Todd Ball, that is okay, but now the players which are going to represent themselves, they are very much ready to play all kind of sport.
Rajasthan also picked up a new player, young English seamer Todd Ball. Do you think it's going to pay off?
Obviously, because Rahul Dravid is a mentor and surely you will get to see some magic created out of him.
I heard of him. I think he will play a good game.
Do you think he'll face up to the fast bowlers much better than the spinners?
Yeah, I think he can face the fast bowlers much more easily than the spinners.
I think he's a bowler, right?
No, he's a batsman actually.
He's a batsman.
And now this year they've got one of his teammates, Will Paz. Have you guys seen him bat?
I have heard about it. You told me. He's a right-handed batsman.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I have seen a match of him.
So we're hoping for the best for Todd Ball and as well as L. Iyer.
Yeah.
And your Kashmiri friend as well,
Yeah.
Asif Imrial.
Yeah.
So good luck to all of them.
I just read a troll on Facebook. It was like, if you offer an Indian fan 2 guns, 2 bullets, what he'll do? You fire Ishant Sharma or any other guy. He will say, they would be firing Ishant Sharma twice. I simply need a bomb so that there should be no hope of him coming back.